How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back on another video. I have been wanting a small handsaw that I can throw in my day pack. Just put it in the back. So in case I'm out and I find a real nice walking stick when I'm out there looking for ginseng or yellow root or whatever I'll be, mushroom hunting, I'd like to have one of these with me, which would be nice so I can, like I said, I can pick up walking sticks. This here is the Razortooth saw. I got this from Lowe's, and I think I paid right around $20 for it. I know they have more expensive ones out there, but this is not something I'm going to use a lot. It's just something I wanted to put in the day pack to take with me when I'm out. So I'll show it to you, and we'll do a little demonstration and see how it cuts. So let me show you a little close-up of the saw. Okay, this is the saw. It had gotten some pretty good reviews. I'm not sure how you open it. I guess just pry it open. I don't know how many inches saw is. It says 6 inch. Cuts up to 6 inch wood. It's a 10 inch folding pruning saw. Like I said, it came from Lowe's, around 20 bucks. And from what I've seen online, they like I said, they get some pretty good reviews. We're going to take it out and give it a try and see how she cuts. It seems like it's going to be, got some pretty good teeth on there, I know that. Very sharp, so we'll give it a shot and see how it works. Alright, I figured I'd bring you a saw down here and give it a try, and I love the looks of this old, this is driftwood, but these are roots sticking out of the ground. And I cut a piece off just to see what it looked like inside, and it's literally red. Boy, that'd be cool if I could get a piece of that to make a knife handle. That'd be sweet. So, I'm going to cut it again. I'm going to see if I can cut another piece and see if it's really all of it's red inside, or is it just that piece right there. This is a big hunk of wood here. We'll do our best. This is dry. This is hard as a rock. Actually, huh? Oh yeah, it's hard, man. Actually, it feels wet inside. Yeah, you hold the camera. Let me use
down in there though.
All right, you use both hands there. That way I can use both hands. Oh, this thing's tough. Hey, this thing's red inside too. It is. I see red stuff coming out of it. It almost looks like the tree's bleeding. Huh. That'd be cool if I could make something out of that. Well, the saw seems to be working pretty good. That's a pretty tough piece of wood there. I think it's, well, they say you can cut 6 inch trees with it, but I just want it for this type of stuff. If I find a nice walking stick or something like that in the woods, I could cut it and bring it home, or even some of this driftwood. Let's cut another piece of this. That one's not red inside. Just don't understand why that one's red. I've never seen anything like that before. It's cool. Saw's working great. Definitely a good little saw just for what I need it for. And like I said, ain't much. So we would happen to want to build a little fire or something. We didn't have loose wood. We could always cut us up some pieces of this. Check out this cool beaver stick we found. This thing's straight. It's really nice and straight, and you can see the teeth marks. You can see the teeth marks where the beaver's been chewing on this thing. Check it out. Look at all the teeth marks. He ate all the bark off of it.
It's in a point too.
Yeah, pretty cool. Well, I thought while me and Julie was down here walking along the stream, I'd make her a walking stick. So we're just going to use our trusty little saw, see if we can make us a walking stick out of this. Oh, that saw works good. That works really good. So let's see, over in here, somewhere in there. We're going to get Julie a nice walking stick. We don't want her falling over. She's going to have a beaver walking stick.
I was gonna say I might be old, but I ain't that old. I need a walking stick. I don't need a cane yet.
Well, I thought you could have that half, and I'll take this half. So,
yeah.
Pretty cool. And I'll tell you, the saw works really great on that wet stuff. Now that dry was a little tough, but this is actually wet. It went through it really easy. So we got 2 walking sticks. Cool. Me and Julie made it down here by the creek. Beautiful. Love the sound of the water. Cool. We're just walking around checking out, see if we can find anything to make a video out of.
What's that? Look at that.
Looks like a piece of glass that's been in a creek for 100 years.
I don't think it's glass. Feel how smooth it is. Well, I know.
Well, it's probably glass, been rubbed around these rocks so much. I'd say it
Oh,
rounded all the edges off.
Yeah, it looks pretty neat.
Anybody know what kind of rock that is? It's actually flat here, like it's walking. Looks like an animal. It's like a little wiener dog or something. Maybe a groundhog with no tail. Looks like petrified wood with the lines in it. Look at all the lines in it. Looks like petrified wood. We didn't know if we was going to make this trip down at the creek. We just figured we'd start walking around, just look around, and boy, you find some really neat looking stuff. That is a cool looking rock, though. It kind of looks like an animal. Here's his head, his legs.
Bear.
Bear, maybe, yeah. The bear rock. Now, if we find anything else interesting, we'll let you guys see. Okay, I got the redwood back to the house. And just for the heck of it, I run some sandpaper over it and put a little bit of clear on it. And I just don't understand why it's red, because it just don't make no sense. Why would that be red inside there? It doesn't actually look like it goes with the grain. It's like it absorbed it or something through the root. Let me show you this piece here. You could see it's not really it's weird. I mean, this video really was about that saw because I needed that saw to do a project. I figured I'd do an interview or a review on it. And then we got it with this red wood, which makes no sense to me. It's not like it's right in the grain. It's like it absorbed up into it or something somehow. But it went through a good bit of that tree. There's a lot of that red in that tree. I don't know what it is, but anyhow, I thought it was really cool, and I figured I'd share it with you guys just to see what you thought. Why red? Well, we got down in the woods there. We didn't realize we was going to walk the creek, but we had a little fun. We was looking through everything, and you know what surprised me is as much garbage was down there. There was such a lot of garbage that go down the creeks. If you guys live close to the creek, pick up a bag of garbage, send it out to the garbage man. Just one bag. If everybody takes one bag out of that creek, we'd have a lot of garbage out of there. So I just wanted to share that little video with you on the saw. The saw worked great. I mean, it worked really good. It's sharp. How long will it last? I don't know. How long will it stay sharp? I don't know. Depends on, I suppose, if I was to hit rocks or something like that with it, it might dull it up. But if you're just cutting wood, I think it'd last a long time. But anyhow, I'd like to tell everybody thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. And don't forget, click that little bell down there so you get them alerts when I put up another video. Till next time.